dalhin. Sino kasi bakit di alam kung bakit kahit sa akin lumalapit kahit minsan ako'y nakulang patuloy nang hahanapin kahulugan ng pag-ibig ay na mag-iisa. Tayong dalawa'y magkasama sa isang panaginip at habang buhay na mag-iisa. Sino ang karapat-dapat kumain? Some more. Okay, some more. Ano ba yan? Song ba yan? Sino kumanta? Guys, kompletuhin nyo ha kung sino kumanta. Sino kumanta? Bakit di alam kung bakit kahit sa akin lumalapit kahit minsan iko'y nagulang. Sino? 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 Yes. Guys, wag na kayong mag-spam ng ano. Baka wala na naman tayong gifts niyan. Baka hindi na naman makapag-send yung iba. Thank you for following Hirokay. Guys, wag na kayong mag-spam ng ano. Wag na kayong mag-spam ng register. Ano na lang, i-comment nyo na lang 21 slot. 21 slot na lang. Ganon, 21 slot na lang. Yun na lang i-comment ninyo. Tapos, ano, yun na yung ano yun ninyo. Kasi nababan tayo kapag register. Na ano, nawawala yung gifts. Avio, thank you so much. Ano na lang guys, 21 slots. Yun na lang, 21 slots na lang, ganon. You know what I'm saying guys? If you know, you know guys.
Come stop the cry.
It'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight.
I will
Protect you from all around you. I'll be here, don't you cry.
for one so small.
You seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken.
I will be here.
Don't you cry, 'cause you'll be in my arms. 'Cause you'll be in my arms.
From this day
Thank you for sharing the live, cool.
and forever.
Vermont.
Yes, you'll be in my heart.
My man!
My man, your hair
Brother, how you
is not,
doing?
your hair is not curl.
How's it going, bro?
You changed your hair?
Yes, I did, bro. Let me change my outfit real quick. It's so hot.
Okay, sure. You look good on your hair. Wow, nice.
Thank you, brother. How have you been, bro?
I'm good, bro. How have you been?
Why you have a poop on your head, bro?
It's not a poop, it's my pet.
Oh, that's cute, man.
Bro, you look different, and your aura is different. Like
Thank you,
for-
brother.
Like before.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Change. Like for real, you change a lot.
I did.
Yeah. Can we do one match? Or we can invite. Can we invite?
Oh, yeah,
our-
bro. Yeah, 100%. Bro, can we do one match, just me and you?
Okay, sure. No problem, bro.
Brother, do you mind if I sing for you, bro?
Yeah, sure, bro. Do you remember me, bro?
Of course, bro. You're my boyfriend.
Wait. Yeah,
Um,
we're friends.
Do you know Versace on the floor?
Yeah, Versace on the floor.
I'll do this for you.
Yeah, sure. Go for it. Let's do this.
Right. I'll mute you while I'm singing so that you can talk to your chat.
Yeah, sure. I'll mute you too. Okay, is that okay?
If you mute me, you cannot sing. Listen to me singing.
Okay. I will not be.
Right. I'll sing for you, bro. Thank you,
Let's
50.
do this.
What does it mean about like he's gonna mute me too?
Sorry.
I'll sing for you, bro. Just a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Let's take our time tonight, girl. Above us, all the stars are watching. There's no
What
place
done?
I'd rather be.
What happened to you?
The eyes are where I'm
Nagbago siya,
lost
no?
in.
Naura, man.
Underneath the
Pumunta yung beses.
chandelier.
Gumalik kumanta. Bumibig. Bumaga yung hair.
On. There's no reason to hide what we're feeling inside right now. So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Ooh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it off for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it off for me now, girl. Oh no. Thank you, brother.
You're good.
How did you like it, bro?
Bro, it's so amazing.
Is your boxer wet right now? What color?
Hey, bro.
Thank you, Fifi.
My boxer is dry.
What? Why is it dry, bro? It's supposed to be wet, bro.
Bro, because I'm restricted. My gifts is restricted. They can't send me a gift.
Why not? But what the fuck did you do on your live, bro?
I don't know, bro. TikTok is very strict at me right now.
What the fuck did you do, bro? Did you show off your nipples or what? Thank you.
No, I
Sadie.
don't show up my... I didn't show my titties.
You didn't?
I didn't.
Then why you got restricted, bro?
I don't know, bro. Maybe TikTok is so jealous of you.
Me?
Yeah.
You just got restricted?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
shit.
you sing for me.
Oh, maybe you got poop on your hat. That's why, bro. Thank you, Lilia.
It's not a poop, bro. It's a pet.
It looks like a hairy poop to me.
Bro, it's not a poop. Bro,
How do you do that, though?
the what? Okay, they
Oh,
can send.
shit, it's
They can
there.
send. Guys, you can send a gift. Guys, you can send a gift. Guys,
Well, mine is not moving, bro.
guys, Bawe, you
Oh,
can send
shit.
a
Let's
gift.
go, Prez. Let's go.
Pwede na, guys. Come on. Ayan na.
Let's go,
Guys,
Prez. Let's
last
go.
40 seconds.
Oh, my God. What's up, Era?
Thank you,
You're not
Ate
restricted. You're not
Bird.
restricted.
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm not restricted anymore because I submit my appeal.
Right. Is that your twin? Is it my twin? He's not my twin.
We're friends, not a twin.
We're friends with benefits. Let's go, chat. 20 seconds. Let's
Thank
go.
you
Let's
so much,
go.
Ate Birds.
Yeah, man, let's
Ate
go,
Birds.
let's go,
Tita
Brett, let's go.
Misma.
Watch out for the
Come
fucking
on.
snipe, watch out for the snipers. Fuck no. Let's go, Brett.
Come on.
Let's go. 10 points, over 10 points.
Last 10
Over
seconds.
10 points.
Three
Let's go,
points,
Brett.
3 points, guys.
Oh, let's go,
Come on.
50, let's
Guys,
go.
guys,
Yeah,
last
man,
5.
Let's go, Brett. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Babies.
Oh my
fuck
God.
No. God
Thank you
damn
so
it.
much, Ate Bim. Tita Mispa and Ate Burns.
Thank you, Fifi, for MVP. Thank you, Sandy. Thank you, Lilian, Jay, Sarah,
Thank you so
Jordan,
much,
Jessica,
Ate
my cappers and
Joey.
rappers and cappers.
Kaya Tita Mispa, kaya
Gama.
Tita Burns. Bro, can we invite another two?
Yeah.
Because I miss you, bro.
Thank you, Brett. Shama. Who you gonna invite, though?
You know, the one that you're on your group. I don't know what
Bro,
your name
then
is.
can I invite you again later? Maybe like 15, 20 minutes later? If you're gonna still on.
Why? You didn't miss me? You don't miss me?
I did miss you, bro, but they're not on right now, so we gotta wait for them.
Oh, okay. Sure. No problem. Later,
Yeah.
It's a promise. I will wait for you.
If I didn't keep the promise, don't keep the promise, I'll send you my ball picture.
Hey! No. Bro, that's fine. If you don't keep your promise, that's fine.
Okay.
Just don't send your...
I'll see you really soon, Christian.
Yeah. Just don't send your balls, bro.
Do you want it or what?
Bro. Don't send it. Okay?
Why
Don't send it.
you talking like you don't like it or what?
No, it's not just I don't like it. It's because I'm what do they call this? I'm a
Yo,
preservative.
why's
I'm a
my pet look so fucking stupid and your one looks cute?
because I'm cute.
No, how do I change it?
You can't change it.
But your one looks cute and he has nice hair and mine has like fucking stupid ass hair.
Because of your I think it's the filter.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's the filter because here I don't use filter.
But I only use for my skin though.
It's because of our match. Because you
It's just different pad.
yeah, it's a different fat. That's why. But bro, you invite me after 15 or 20 minutes, all right? Is that all right?
100%, bro. Otherwise, I'm gonna send you my ball picture, okay?
No, bro. Okay, bro. Okay.
Right. Oh, thanks for joining to my team. I see you really soon, Christian.
Yeah, see you.
See you, bro.
Thank you so much. Tragis talaga. I'll send you my... Hoy! Ang lakas ng trip mo. Be. I'm not interested on your balls. What the fuck? I'm not interested. Do I look like I'm interested on your balls? I got mine and you got yours. Why do you want me to send your balls? I got mine. Buisit. Ewan ko ano nangyayari. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa live ko, guys. Grabe, kakaiba. Kakaiba. Literal, kakaiba. Pag-ibig nating dalawa. Diyos Mayo Mariosep, namula ako, kinabahan ako sa kanya. Kinabahan ako, be. Diyos ko, hintayin nyo 15 to 20 minutes, dapat mag-i-invite ulit siya. So habang wala siya, mag-i-invite muna tayo ng iba. Buti naalala mo pa ako, be. Mamaya na nga tayo sa balls na yan. Dito muna tayo sa ano. Diyos Mayo Mariosep. Hi!
Say hi.
Hi! Can we do one match?
โอเค one match ค่ะ
Yeah, one
โอ
match.
เค พี่แค่อุ้ย
โอเค
อีกตัวนี้น่ารักอ่ะ พี่ทับ where you from
I'm from Philippines. Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand nice to meet you
Oh, nice to meet you. Kapam
okay
kap.
I like your animal
Yeah, it's my pet.
My
Is it
pet.
cute? Yeah, is it cute?
อ๋อ อยากมีบ้าง
Yeah, whenever I shake like this,
uh-huh
my pet is going on my shoulder. Yeah.
This is a filter, right? No.
Yeah, it's a filter. You can use it, actually. You can
Oh.
use it too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where?
Just find it on the effects. You see the
Uh-huh,
effects? Yeah.
Mhm.
And then
the name
I
is what the
then
name
click what I'm using right now. It's on your first list. Just click it.
is. First list
Yeah.
effects. แดงอ่ะทำไมเป็น
Why
สี
is
แดง
it color red?
I don't know why the red
Slide it like
slide
slide it on your left. Slide it to left. Slide to the left.
no cannot
Oh wait. How is it
I
that
don't
you're
know I don't know
Wait.
มัน
I'll
เป็น
help
จอ
you.
แดงโอเค
Wait, I'll help you. Wait a minute. Ooh. Why?
ตึ
How?
กมันน่ารักแต่ทำไมหนูเป็นจอแดง I don't know why I don't know
Click
why.
the. Wait. Oh. It's suddenly. Wait. How?
Mhm.
Can you click the
ปกติค่ะ
background?
พี่หนูไม่ใช่ตัวแดงนะมันเบลออ่ะ
Guys, paano nangyari yung filter? Can you click the filter? I mean,
I
the
don't know why
beauty. You click the beautify and click the filters and then go to the scroll it on your left. Scroll it.
Beauty.
Like slide it to the left.
โอเค
And then click the none. Is that alright?
beauty
I think
yeah wait please
I think it works. There's no red on your. Oh no, yeah. Slide it to your left.
I don't know why I don't know
Again, beautify.
No.
I
yes
You're-
beauty yes
beautify. And then click the filters.
yes
Slide it to the left.
beautify
Yeah, I think that's it. You remove the color red.
when I so change the filter
Yeah, go no, not that. Go to the effects if you want to pop up the filter. Go to the effects and click what. Guys, come on. Guys, yung ano natin nuggets ha.
พี่ระวังเขาปาด
Guys, our nuggets. Click what I'm using right now. Click the filter that I'm using right now.
Okay.
Ma, ayan. Thank you, Miss Riza. Thank you so much.
มันไม่ได้
Are you in there? Or are you...
โอเค
Yeah.
โอเค
Yes. Guys, last 40 seconds. Come on.
ทีนี้ฟิลเตอร์
Thank you, Tiruena. Yes, you got it right.
thank you
That's
so
it.
much thank you so much
Yeah, no problem.
เขาสอนหนูเอาจนได้ thank you พี่ค่ะ30วินาทีสุดท้าย30
Guys,
วินา
come
ที
on,
สุดท้าย
guys. Guys, come on. Guys, last 20 seconds.
oh I like it
You like
ฟิ
it?
ลเตอร์น่ารัก
It's cute, right? You know.
thank you
When you go shake
ขอบ
your...
คุณค่ะ
Oh, guys, come on. Guys, last 8 seconds, 7. Guys, our nuggets.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Guys.
I'm so sorry
No problem.
okay
Thank you so much.
okay. thank you I can I follow you
Yeah, sure. Follow you too.
okay Christian
Yeah.
name
Thank
is
you so
Christian.
much. Yeah, Christian. But you can call me Chani.
Shiny
Yeah, Chani.
อ๋อ โอเค nice to meet you Shiny
Nice to
thank you
meet
so
you.
much
Have a nice day.
บายบายค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
Bye-bye. Kapam ka. Guys, yung nuggets ko namang... Nawawala yung nugget mo, Natutolo tayo. Guys, natalo tayo guys, oh. Sayang yung nugget. May ilang beses na tayo natalo. Feeling ko dapat ready tayo before ano. Ilan na ba yung slots? Check nga natin. 21 na lang pala. Bi, 21 na lang pala, Bi. Konting-konti na lang pala. Grabe. Sino pa ba? Sino pa ba dyan? Ang dami nag-i-invite guys. Ang daming request. Pero pinipili lang kasi natin kung sino yung mga i-up natin. Siyempre, baka malay mo. Yung iba, nantitrip lang pala talaga. O, diba? Kai!
Hello, Christian.
Hello! Nice to meet you. Can we do one match?
Okay, it's okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go, guys!
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. You're from
Philippines.
Korea?
Yeah, South Korea. ¿Cómo
But,
está?
oh, you know how to speak Tagalog? A little bit.
Yes, just a little bit.
When did you learn kamusta?
Hmm?
When did you learn kamusta? Lang,
Oh. When did you
yeah.
learn? TikTok. In TikTok.
Here, you're just scrolling, then you hear the kamusta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
¿Cómo and
I have
Laban lang.
Korea. I know some Korean words like 사랑해요,
oh.
감사합니다, 어떻게,
Yeah.
안녕하세요.
Okay.
Chani,
¿Cómo está? Salamat po. Mahal
Chani-
kita.
찬이입니다. Something like that.
Oh, you're good. I follow you, Christian.
Oh, sure. You can, right?
My American age is 34, but Korean age is 36.
Why is it like different from Korean?
I don't know, but Korean age is so different.
Yeah, I think so because you know you guys are 2 years in advance. You know.
Yes.
But here in Philippines, if you're 34, it's only 34.
Yes. Philippines,
Why is it like that?
same American.
Yeah, why is it like that? Are you American too? Or do you have a blood of American?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Who is your American in your family?
Yeah, my cousin is living 어디였지?
Yeah, you can do it.
forgot it.
You can do it.
Okay. Texas, Dallas, and 어디였지? 바다. Florida.
Oh, from Florida.
Yeah.
Have you been there before or have you been in the US?
So good, so nice. But
Here
Korea
in
is-
Philippines, have you been here in Philippines?
I want to go to Philippines.
Yeah, it's more fun here in Philippines as well as there's a lot of vacation places.
Yes,
There's a lot of
yes.
tourist spots here like Boracay, Palawan, La Union, LU, La Union nga, LU nga yun. And also Siargao.
Yes.
There's a lot of foreigners in Siargao.
Really, I want to go.
Yeah, there's a lot of Kano. You know Kano?
Kano?
Kano is we call here in Philippines we call foreigners Kano.
고생하셨습니다.
Yeah, we call them Kano.
까노. Afam?
Yeah, we
I
call
don't know.
them AFAM.
Afam.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. 예전에 필리핀은 콘서트 일정으로
아팜.
가본 적이 있어요. Wait a minute. 예전에 필리핀은 콘서트
Nagpa-translate siya,
일정으로
eh.
가본 적이 있어요.
Hindi ko siya ibigay sa'yo. Kasi sa akin siya, hindi siya sa'yo.
Okay, I've been to the Philippines for a concert before.
Oh. Whose concert? What group? Or what band? Or what artist?
My concert.
Oh, your concert?
Yes, yes.
Oh, nice.
Yes, I'm a
Oh.
K-pop singer.
Oh, what group? Or what group?
Oh, my group name is F.CU-JIT.
Wait, I'll search it. What?
Bucket. F-
Do you have IG?
IG? Oh, yes, yes.
What's the name of the group?
My IG is same this, but I don't remember.
Same
Okay.
like this.
KAN
KAN underscore
yes, SY
underscore SY
9 woman.
underscore 91
Yes, yes. That's me.
underscore 91.
みえちゃんありがとうね。ナイス。サワーありがとう。
Oh, this is you.
みえ、サワーナイス。サ
Oh,
ワーちゃん
is
ナイ
this
ス。
your Korean group?
Yes, yes.
What do you call this one?
Bucket.
Focus. Fcus.
Yes, yes.
Oh, Fcus. You guys are celebrating 16 years of music and memories. Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah, yeah.
thank
I saw
you.
it. I saw it. I saw it.
Oh,
So you're a
yeah.
singer and you're a chef.
Now is get on my work.
Oh, okay, okay. By the way, nice meeting you, Ka.
Okay,
Ka-
okay. Thank you, thank you. See you later.
See you later, Ka.
Thank you,
so
Christian.
much. Isa talo tayo, guys. So, na-distract kayo. Siguro nag-search din kayo talaga. Sinearch nyo din talaga sa Instagram yung ano nyo. Ay, nako, ha. Pag may nabago tayong namimit dito, ha. Ang bilis-bilis, ha. Ang bilis-bilis, ha. Pag may mga bagong namimit, ha.
sunlight. And he's got swirls of passion in his eyes, uncovering the dreams he dreams at night.
And now...
As much and hard as he tries to hide, I can see right through. See
Ang bibilis, ha.
this voice you know before. He says when
Ito, ito.
black, I fade away somehow.
Bibilis nyo, guys. Promise.
Hello,
Hello!
how are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Great. Yeah, I'm doing great.
Too.
Oh, nice. How old are you?
30.
Guess how old I am.
How old are you?
Guess.
I'm just to tell you. You just tell me.
What age do I look like?
40? 43. My chat. My chat. I'm just a leader. 43, 45, 50? Oh, 삼겹살, thank you! You just tell me. Oh my god. Oh,
40?
55? 55, 46. Oh, damn. Really?
What kind of chat is that?
Yeah.
I am just 6 years old.
See?
Yeah.
Good. Perfect, perfect.
Just kidding.
Cloud, hi, how was your day?
I'm 20.
20. You liar. I looks like you 40.
Hey!
리쿠 삼겹살 땡큐. No? Why no?
I don't know.
Why you don't know?
I don't know because you're you're saying that I'm 40 but I'm not 40. I'm mad.
Really?
Not getting mad, you know.
Ah! Yes, thank you.
What's that, my bro? Thank you,
nothing,
Kofi.
nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
It's okay. Oh my god, guys, cheer up,
Thank you so much, Miss Riza.
Hey guys,
Ripples.
please. Ah!
Ripples, guys, talunin natin to.
Oh, samgyeopsal.
Kasi sabi niya 40 daw
Thank you,
ako, talunin
samgyeopsal.
natin to. Pakitalo.
Break.
40 years old pala ako ha. Sige, patalunin kita.
Hey, our team,
Thank you,
cheer up.
Kofi.
Help me.
Bad trip ako sa'yo. 40 ang... Try kaya kitang tagiliran, be, para malaman mo na 40 talaga.
Ludo, help me. Ludo.
Guys, mute ko lang siya. Nagigigil ako eh. Hindi, napipikon ako sa'yo, be. Ngingiti-ngiti ka dyan, be. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, be. Guys, talunin nga natin, guys. 40 daw? 40? Ako mukhang 40? Porket ang bata ng mga mukha niyong mga Koreano kayo, ha? Guys, iano nyo nga, guys. Iano nyo nga. Guys, come on, guys. Guys. Ang gigigil ako. Panalunin nyo to. Nawalan ako sa mood. Nawalan ako PK. Panalunin nyo na lang to, guys. Copy, thank you so much. 40? Guys, 40. Mukha ba akong 40 na, guys? Grabe naman yun. 40. Ate Bim, nanalo ka dyan, oh. Baka naman share your blessings, share your win. Share your first place. Sayang, oh. Share your oh. Hala. Mukha siyang mukhang mo yung horror, yung Korean horror movie. Ang gigigil. Ate Shang, thank you so much! Guys, come on, guys. Matatalo na tayo. Di, guys, alam, kanina, sunod-sunod yung panalo natin, guys. So, last 20 seconds, guys. Come on! Ate Bim! Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Riza. Yes, sinishare ang blessings. Guys, baka yan, guys, ha. Mag-snipe po. Mag-i-snipe po yan. Mag-i-snipe po. Yeah, wag na. Thank you so much. Because you're saying that I'm 40 because I'm not 40.
Okay. You not 40.
No,
You
I'm not
50.
40. I'm not 40.
You 50.
No.
No.
You lose. You are the 50 because you lose. By the way, nice meeting you. Nice match. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Thank you,
See
bro.
you.
Bye-bye. See you.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Gigil ako sa'yo, ha? Oh, alam mo, ha? 50 pala, ha? Ayan, 50-50 ka tuloy sa akin. Gusto mo ma 50-50? 50 ka dyan, ha? Ayoko na nga nagsusungit, eh. Pinupush niyo pa rin ako para magsungit. Nananahimik na nga ako. Alam niyo, gusto ko nang maging mabait. Ayoko nang maging masungit, be. Kaso, may mga tao talaga na demonyo ba na parang pinipilit ka maging masungit, magalit. Kahit umiiwas ka na magalit, maging masungit. May mga tao talaga. May mga tao talaga na, yay! Ito. Gigigil ako, ha? Hi!
Hello.
Hello. Oh, are you a singer?
Yeah, before I singing, yeah, exactly.
Well, can you sing for us? By the way, can we do one match?
Okay, I can sing. Yeah.
And then
Where are you from?
while we're doing our match, can you sing? I'm from Philippines. Where are you from?
You from Philippines? Oh,
You're
okay.
from South. I guess you're from South Korea.
No, I'm not from South Korea. You
Where
can
you
guess
from?
again. China.
Cheddar?
China.
China. I thought.
Yes.
But so you're Chinese.
Yes.
I am. She can speak Tagalog fluently.
Speak what?
Tagalog. She's famous here in Philippines.
Muslim Philippine. Philippine, how to say? How are you? Like
Kamusta?
Kamusta
Kamusta ka?
ka. Oh,
Kamusta
thank you.
ka? Yeah. In Chinese, how can you say kumain ka na? I mean, sorry, kumain ka. Did you eat?
Did you eat? 你吃饭了吗？你
What?
吃饭了吗？
你吃饭了吗？
Yes,
你吃
exactly.
饭了吗？
Yes,
你
like
吃饭了吗，love？
yeah. 你吃饭了吗？
你吃饭了吗，babe？
Oh, good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
How
你
do
吃饭了吗？
How do you say mahal?
mahal.
Baby or
Baby,
like
宝贝。
like a partner, like a
宝贝。
you
Baby.
know, babe, like that, or a call sign.
Sweetie, like
Sweetie,
sweetie.
yeah, like sweetie.
Yeah, 宝贝，那叫宝贝，宝贝，
What?
宝贝
Baho pay.
Yes.
Baho iyong pay.
宝贝
Baho pay, bahog bilat. Yun ba yun?
宝贝 like a sweetie, like a candy, like
Oh!
a baby.
Hi, bahog pay. Bahog iyong pay. Bahog iyong pay.
Yeah, you study Chinese language so fast, so good, so fast.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Yeah, you're doing good. You even you can say
Another one. How do you say
thank you, Anna, mama.
tawag dito. How do you say gusto ko ng I want cuddle.
What is meaning?
I want a hug.
我要抱抱。I want to hug you, like 抱抱 hug 抱抱
Bao bao.
抱抱
Bao
Yes,
bao.
yeah，抱一个抱抱。
Bao bao.
Like
Bao bao. Bao pay.
抱抱宝贝 Yes， 抱抱宝
Bao
贝。
bao bao pay. Bao bao
Thank you,
bao.
thank you，
Yung
妈妈
pay
，Thank you，
pay.
皮妹，Thank you，卡图啊，Thank you，卓西图图，
Bao pay.
宝贝 baby。
Bao
Yeah.
bao bao pay.
Exactly.
Okay. Another one. How do you say Happy Mother's Day?
Sorry.
Happy Mother's Day, even though it's already done or it's already
About the mother holiday, right?
yeah, it's a mother's holiday. Like
母
Happy
亲
Mother.
节快乐。Like
Happy Mother.
last day, like yesterday is a Happy Mother Day, right?
Yeah, Happy Mother's Day yesterday.
母亲节快乐。好，
What?
母亲节快乐。母亲节，like
Slow it, just slow.
母亲节快乐。
母亲节快乐.
Yeah, exactly. In my live streamer, I have a mama. So last day, yesterday, I with my Anna mama say, happy holiday, mother holiday. Yeah.
So you guys say happy mother holiday, tama?
Yes, 母亲节快乐 Happy Mother Holiday.
Okay. Hindi Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother Holiday.
Yeah, Happy Mother Holiday. Yes.
Okay. Guys, our nuggets! Wait,
Keep going.
you distract me. My nuggets is
It's okay.
I lose again. My nuggets. You distract me.
Yeah, I get a win. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Thank you Anna Mama, thank you P 妹 thank you 卡图啊 thank you Josie 朵朵 thank you 星座 thank you 婉清 thank you Coco. Yeah. X girl Mama.
What?
Thank you. Hey bro, I follow you. Yeah, you're so interesting and you're so kind.
Oh, thank you so much. You're very kind too. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Have a great day,
Have a
bro.
great day.
Yes. Nice to see you. Bye bye.
Grabe. Guys, dinistract tayo. Di ko na malaya. Natalo tayo dun. Hindi ko ba sinasabi, guys? Hindi ko na malayan. Nahulog na buko ng papaya at talay-talay huslo. Pagod na ako. Ayoko na makipag-match. Naiirita na ako. Oh my life, you put in a perfect picture. Perfect figure. Ay, mamita. No doubt she's a masterpiece. You're one of a kind like a miracle. Hindi ka pa para huling araw maging kabilang buhay ka ay ikaw. In love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. Pinsalay ka naman sa lamang ka into a bouquet. Di naluluma. Init. Parang lamig. Oh my life, ang oras mo'y lumipas na. Ilan na yung nagre-register? Last 21 na lang pala, oh! Last 21! Buhay habang buhay nakamantya. Martinez. Kunti na lang. Ayaw pa nila ubusin. Last 21 na lang, guys. Tingnan nyo na, guys. Pabanggalin mo. Alam mo yung kanta na to? Pabagalin muna natin ng mundo. Sana sanang magmadali. Madali. Ano nga yan? Pabagalin muna. Ano nga yan? Pabagalin muna na. Ito ba yun? Teka lang. Ang ganda kasi ng kanta na to eh. Ikot ng mundo. Oras sa dulo. Nako kami si Eman, to be honest. Alam, kilala niyo si Eman, di ba? Dahan lang, dahan sandali, di naman nagmamadali. Kaya sa aking babe, sulitin natin ang gabi. Gabi, aking sisisirin, di dapat pumilin sa aking gagawin. Pabagalin muna natin ang ikot ng mundo. Atin ang gabi na to, pahintuin mga kamay ang oras sa relo. Come on! Takasan natin ang gulo, hindi mo palayo. Handaan na, dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan niya, dahan-dahan lang. Sobrang sakit ko naman. Be, walang katabi, dali muna sa tali. Di naman nagmamadali, kaya muna natin ang ikot ng mundo. Ako'y sasayaw sa limig mo, atin ang gabi na to. Pahintuin mga kamay ang oras sa relo. Ako'y sasayaw sa mali pala. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan niya, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan. Pwede mong magpahinga muna saglit. Ang cute nang nasa ulo ko, no? Saglit. Oh, pwede bang magpa... Alisin. Bakit ba kung kailan ay naisip na bibitawan ikaw yung paraiso, di ba? Huwag ka nang nasuspended na naman! Ba't ganon? Hindi na nga ako nagpipikay eh. Lakas naman ang trip niyan. Nananahimik na nga yung ano ko eh. Makikita kung ang oras man ay humadang, pipilitin balikan. Dilot pa din ating mata, hindi magkatabi. Kahangad pa din kita, sulyap ko mga ngiti mo magmula sa kabila. Ramdam ko din ng takot dahil ikaw ay nagdududa kung sigurado ka ba sa'kin, kung dapat bang ikaw ay maging akin at lahat ay isugalitos. Iniisip ng lahat ng to ay matatapos at biglaan na lang kukupas pagdating ng panahon. Nakakalain iiwanan pa rin naroon ang pagkakataon. Kahit malaming ang buong walang mamali. Kung ganon, hindi ko sa iyo magagawa iyon. Kaya sa akin na lang itugon ng pansin. Pagtingin ko sa iyo ay walang kahambing. Bakit ba kung kailan tayo naisip na bibitawan ikaw yung paraiso, diba? Huwag ka nang mag-alinlangan sa'kin, di ka iiwanan. Ikaw yung tahanan, diba? Di ka pinipilit maliwala, pero alam ko ramdam mo
di ba tamang hinala kapag kasama o kakaiba mga
Ilan na?
isip mo'y di alita na kayo wag mababahan.
Guys, 21.
Sumama sa'kin sa
21 na lang, guys.
Huwag kang bababa sa'kin magtiwala ka.
Guys, 21 na lang, guys.
Sasaluhin kita.
Dadalhin kita, ipapasan ka sa likod kapag napagod ang paa.
Hindi ka matinalo kung
Hindi ka susunod sa laro ng puso.
at lalong hindi kita sasalubuhin para lang sumalong at iwan kang mag-isa sa mundo mapaglaro. Alam ko na
Gusto mo din, kaya wag kang magbibiro, malilito
dahil tunay ang pag-ibig
ko.
kahit saan man tayo magpunta, di hanang makikita. Kung ang oras man ay humanda, pipiliting balikan. Kahit saan man ako magpunta, di hanang makikita. Kung ang oras man ay humadang, pipiliting balikan.
Sa sobrang daming, alam nyo guys, to be honest kung inggit kayo sa akin, or ayaw nyo na may nagsusupport sa akin, 'di ba? Please lang guys, okay? 'Di ba? Kung gagawa kayo ng sarili nyo kwento at sisiraan nyo para lang sa... Better luck next time talaga. Kasi alam niyo yung mga nagsusupport sa akin. Support sa akin yan. And
Naalala ko pa dati nung wala ka.
Diba?
Naranasan ko na lamang sumaya kapag kasama ang barkada.
wait lang yung restriction ko.
Buti nagagana.
Di na ako pwede mag-appeal.
Buti na lang ay dumating ka doon. Nagsimulang magkaroon ng pag-asa.
Guys, di na pwede mag-send ng gifts. So mag-live na ako. Pero ito lang masasabi ko Sabi ko, guys, yung mga matagal na nakasupport sa akin, guys, hindi yan mababago, hindi never nyo mababago yung mga utak niyan. Hindi yan kagaya ng utak ninyo na ayaw nakikitang umaangat yung mga kapwa nila, 'di ba? That's a, 'di ba? Crab mentality yan. Guys, kung ayaw huwag niyong panoorin. Or kung nakikita niyo mga umangat, kumbaga, inspiration niyo yun. Tawa kasi kayo, yung iba, nakakatawa yung mga ano dyan. Well, pag hindi mo talaga yan, sinaway ang ulupong mo, ako mismo gagawa ng aksyon. Pag hindi mo talaga sinaway yan, kapag feed ka pa ng feed dyan, ako rin nagsasabi sa inyo, ako gagawa ng aksyon. Promise, hindi nyo magugustuhan. Dadaan tayo sa legal way. Kung hindi mo pa sasawayin yan, dadaan tayo sa legal way. Ginawarningan ko na kayo. Kung hindi mo pa sasawayin yan, mga ulupong mo. Promise. Ito, sobrang nananahimik na ako.
Kahit di kita natagpuan kaagad, ang pag-ibig ay di pala hinaharap. Kailangan lang ay mag-abang na dapat. Ngayon ko palang nadama to.
Tignan natin.
Ganito pala kasaya to.
Sino talaga?
Yung buhay ko na may kagaya mo. Kasi
Gumagawa pa kayo ng dampakon, nakala nyo naman hindi kayo kilala. Mag-feed na lang nga kayo eh, hindi halatang halata pa, di ba? Kitang kita pa. Sabi ko sa inyo, kung ayaw nyo nakangatan kayo, huwag nyo akong panoorin, block nyo ako. Di ba? Biri mo, nagsisend lang ng gift, chat mo lang kung ano-ano, sisiraan mo ako. Kung di ka ba naman sira ulo, di ba? Tingnan, karma talaga para sa inyo. Karma talagang lalapit sa inyo. Kaya nai-stuck kayo dyan eh. Kaya paulit-ulit na lang yung ginagawa niyong strategy eh. Napaka-bastos ninyo. Biruin nyo tipong nananahimik na supporter, i-chat ninyo. Lahat na lang. Inggit ba kayo? Inggit pikit na lang talaga. Hindi naman kayo inaano eh. Alam niyo, nagiging mabait pa ako sa inyo. Sabi ko sa inyo. Guys, 10 PM guys, mag-end live na tayo guys, no? 10 PM mag-end live na po tayo. Yes. 10 PM na ako mag-end live guys. Hey bro!
What's up, bro? I'm back.
Bro, why you don't, where are they?
I mean,
Where
bro,
are
I was just about to send you my ball picture, though.
Oi, what? No. I'm not interested on your balls, bro.
That hurts.
I'm interested on our bond. You know the bond? The rebond. Because your hair is like rebonded.
You say Bonner?
Bond. It's a bond. You know, bonding, something like that.
Right.
It's a...
You say you want to get Bonner?
No. That's not what I'm talking about.
Bond. Okay.
Yeah, it's bond. We're
Right.
talking about our moment.
Bro, do you have any friend, though? I don't have any friend that I can invite right now, bro.
I think I have a friends that I can invite. Wait. I'll invite...
James Bond.
Yeah, James Bond, Rubber Bond, you know,
007,
Cotton Bond.
007.
What? 67. 67.
Name is Bond. James Bond.
You know how old I am, bro? I'm 6'7".
Shit. You're pretty old, man. I thought you were younger.
I'm just kidding.
No, I don't know what that mean, bro. Tuesday. What is that, Rose Free? I don't know. I'm not good with memes.
What
Hey,
memes?
hey, please take it yourself, Denise. You definitely need to rest and you gotta focus on recover.
Recover of what?
Huh?
What?
One of my
Why do she
one of my
need
fan
to
members
recover?
just broke her nose. Finger.
Broke her nose? Really? How did her? How did she broke her nose?
Broke her finger.
Ah, her finger. Why?
She bumped into five guys last night. She fought it and she won. But
Oh, really?
Yeah, she ended
Wow.
up broke her finger. But she won though. She won.
Wow, what a nice, like, he's really good at karate.
Yeah, MMA, mixed martial arts.
Oh, she or he?
It's her.
Ah, it's her. Wow. Wait, bro, I'm gonna invite some of my friends here.
All right.
Yeah. They're too
Me?
You know. I mean, these guys.
Do we have a smoke chat?
Yeah, we have a smoke chat.
I
Wait,
don't have a
bro.
smoke right now, though.
Why you don't have a friend anymore, bro? To invite on us? Or, you know?
Welcome back, Fifi.
Fifi, Fifi, do you love me? Are you riding? Cause I me, cause I want you, and I need you.
Oh my god, thank you so much for 53K tapping, y'all. Shama, let's go, brats.
Come on, come on, come on.
Okay, Joe, it's okay. It's okay, just me. Hey, who are you gonna invite, though?
Wait, just wait. Here it is. Hi.
Hi.
안녕하세요.
Oh, bro, my
안녕하십니까.
gift is restricted. Guys, my gift is restricted, so I can't join them. So I'm gonna end this live in 10 p.m. on 10 p.m. or at 10 p.m. Pucha, wag na mag-English. Basta 10 p.m. mag-end ako ng live. Nauubusan na ako ng English, be. Wala pala akong ano, no? Kung nga pala, wala pala akong gifts. Bad trip eh, no? I forgot, wala pala akong gifts. Sorry na. Sorry na. Ay, mamita. Dapat mo na malaman, lamang ang mga sinasabi ng makarating labi. Bababaero ang kwento, pruweba puro lamang invento. Bababaero daw ako, di naman totoo. Yeah. Di naman totoo. Malaman na wala lang mga tripos. Wait. Ayan na. Wait lang, boy. Yeah. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Labis na naiinip, nayaya mo sa bawat saglit. Kapag naalala ka, wala namang akong magawa. Umuwi ka na, baby. Di na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. At sa gabi na hanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na magkasama ka. Muli sa buhay kong puno ng paghirap. At tanging ikaw lang ang umapawi sa mga luha. Naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Di mapigil lang na baka sa tagal mahulog ang loob mo sa iba. Nakakabalisa, Knock on wood, wag naman sana. Umuwi ka na, baby.
Na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirap
Mahirapang mag-isa.
sa gabi na
Hanap kita.
hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na
Ano to?
Let me help.
The cat is quick.
Yes, so playful.
Not the chair.
Holy snow!
You win.
Baliw.
Kasama ka
Ang lakas ng trip.
sa buhay.
Ay kung puno ng... Ilan na yung red? Last 21! Guys, wala na ba?
Pawi sa mga luha, naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi.
Uy, bawal na mag-appeal. Kumag ka, TikTok. Kumag ka. Anong ginagawa mo sa account ko? Restricted ako, grabe. Kawawa naman yung account ko. Guys, last 12 minutes na lang tayo, guys. Wala pa rin nag-register. Umuwi ka na, baby. Umuwi ka na, baby. Umuwi ka na, baby. Paano gawin yung spotted? Yung ganto, oh. Yung ganto, guys, oh. Paano gawin yan, guys? Ayan. Paano gawin yan? Paano gawin yan, guys? Baka sa tagal mahulog ang loob mo sa iba. Grabe na AI ngayon, no? Ewan ko kung paano ko bibit-bitin yung pagtingin ko, kasi kung hanggang tingin lang ay bitin.
Ayoko rin naman to kimkimin, kaso mukhang hindi ko pa rin to sa'yo.
Kayang mangtingin at kaso lang
Nabin mo lang at di
kung
mo
pagsinin,
pansinin.
bitin
Kahit na epipira,
at inumin yung tapang ay wala pa rin. San ko ihiramin? Kahit maglasing wala rin. Kung magkagising ay huwag pa rin. Para sama kung hindi ako naaaya. Para tatama kung hindi ako tumataya. Minsan iniisip ko na wag na lang kaya. Kaso yung isip ko ay nagbabago din maya-maya. Sobra sa pag-asa, kulang sa kumpiyansa, kaya mo mukhang labong magkatsansa. Gusto ko lang naman ay maging popoy mo ba siya? Yan ang matagal ko ng pantasya.
tagal na kita
Sinusundan,
tinititigan at
hindi maiwasan.
na ikaw ay titignan sa malayuan at pinag-iisipan ko
Kung anong paraan
para ikaw
ay malapitan, kaso malabo ang pagitan.
kailang kaya kung mag-aabang kung may mapapala sa iyong ginagawa na pagkatumaya
Ay mapahiya.
di lang ako kumikibo, matagal nang
Kumikibo.
tumikibo ang puso ko para sa'yo, kaso minsan kumikirot. Di ko kasi masabi, di ako umaarte lang, di ko lang alam kung papaano atake, kasi baka naman ako ay tablahin, kaya tinatak sa isip ko na wag nang tangkain. Panaginip lang lahat ng yun, ako ay tampalin para gising na kung tamang panahon na antayin ko na lamang, kasi wala naman masama sa magtyaga. Para sa akin kaya di mag-aabang ako hanggang sa merong mapala. Kaso wala naman magaganap lalo pag wala akong ginawa. Baka mamuti lang ang mata pag nagantay ng himala. Di naman malabo na mapansin mo ko kapag di ako nagtatago.
Kailangan ko lamang na maging matapang kung gusto mo mga tayo.
Wala namang
Kasi kawawa lang ako para matingin sa malayo. Kailangan ko magpapago kasi. Hey! Guys, ilang... Last 19. Ay, 21 pala. Wala pa din, guys. Last 21. Ayaw mapahiya.
Tagal na di pala kung iisipin mo, kaso hindi mo pala to alam. Sinong sisisihin ko? Hindi sarili ko, dalapis ang takot na sasasabihin ng mga hibang na wala pa kayo sa nararamdaman. Sana din iyo ito maramdaman na mahal kita na hindi mo alam. Nabihag mo kasi
Guys, end ka kaya muna yung live para makapag-send kayo ng gifts. Hindi makapag-send, oh. Ay, sa bagay, ano na lang din, ilang minutes na lang din ako, mag-end live na ako eh.
Baka diskarte ko, baka loko-loko, kaso hindi ko napapigilan na ikay masolo mo. Sa manong atake, kita makakausap. Hindi ko mawari, baka ikay magula. Pag ako'y lumapit na, kapag sa dibdib ko'y matag na, nais ko lang ay malaman mo na noong pa may matagal na kita.
Sinusundan, tinititigan at hindi maiwasan na ikaw ay titignan sa malayuan at pinag-iisipan ko kung anong paraan para ikaw ay malapitan. Kaso malayo ang pagitan, hanggang kailan kaya kung mag-aabang kung may mapapala sa ring ginagawa na pagkatumaya ay huwag mapahiya. Sinusundan, tinititigan at hindi maiwasan na ikaw ay titignan sa
Malayuan
at pinag-iisipan ko
kung anong paraan. Pagitan. Ay, huwag mapahiya. Pero napahiya. Ay, hindi nga pala ako mag-invite. At nandito tayong dalawa, nagtuturuan kung sino ba ang siyang mali at may gawa, o walang nakikinig po. Hi, Paul! At ika'y napasyang. Hi, Paul! At ako'y di baka na di
ko paniwala.
wala na ba? Di na ba nag-inda? Kung ngayon ayaw mo na, pwede ba?
Hanggang sa
Mga problema'y gabi, ipagpaliban ng gabi. Sulitin bawat sagay. Mga problema'y gabi, babalik. Hawang kamay, pinipilit natin maghiwalay, ngunit di ko pinepwede sapagkat alam kong di ka na rin pasasabay sa pag-agos ng luha na di lang nalita ng ala-alang paraisong nagmisto lang delubyo.
parang kailan lang
Ang lahat ay kaya nating lagpasan
ngunit kailangan mo dito na ang katapusan.
sa mundo nating ginawa ni na mabalikan.
Paulit-ulit
Kung suyuin, di mo na maramdaman.
wala
Ilang ano na lang, slots.
na ba? Di na ba
Guys,
nainda?
after party ang dami.
Pwede
Ano to?
hanggang sa
Registration wala. Grabe ah.
Bawat sandali kahit di na tumadali. Hanggang sa huli, pinipilit sa sarili. Huwag mo may sandabi, ito lang mo siyang katabi. Gawin, kahit alam kong maayos at di ka nakabalik.
Dapat di muna tayo nagpa-register sa after party. Para di tuloy nag-register. Dapat nag-ano eh. Ayan tayo eh, pag after party, oh.
Hanggang sa huli, mga problema'y gabi, ipagpaliwan ng gabi. Bawat sandali
Feeling ko baka kayo...
na tumadali. Hanggang sa huli,
Pag wala talaga ako nakita sa live ko talaga.
kahit alam kong naalis at di ka na babalik.
Paano nga ba to? Dito na lang ba tayo maghihintay?
Umaabot pa sa dulo. Paano nga ba to? Dito na lang ba tayo?
Pahingi nga ako ng listahan ng mga nasa after party. Pagre-registering ko yung mga yan.
Dito na lang ba tayo? Maghihintay kung naabot pa sa dulo. Paano nga ba to?
90?
Dito na lang ba
Slot natin 40. So nag-organize niyan ha. Sino mang nag-organize niyan?
Sinasabi ko sa'yo eh, Abby, pag di mo to pinanindigan, hahantingin kita sa Tomas Morato.
Ilang days na tayo guys, walang ano. Ilang days na guys. Feeling ko ano, yung tanggalin na natin kaya yung after party. No?
Tagal na din ako alas dos na nahihilo na ako tapos sa buka. Bagay sa'yo ako tamang sa buka din. Pero sa ngayon ako sa akin ka lang ako sa kanya. Tsaka sa kanya, tsaka sa'yo
Hi Minimalist, thank you for watching. Guys, sa mga hindi pa naka-follow, mag-follow na. Easy.
para sa street. Baby, umakiya po ka sa'kin para sa street. O pagkakadami, dapat ako sa'yong need. Kung merong kaliba dyan, ayos yan para tayong queen. At least di nagsisinungaling. Nung dumating ako, iba na hinahanap. Dati ay guwaping style mo, ngayon gusto na ng amat. Yeah, wala akong pakisay.
Ano na? Guys, ilan na to?
I was just feeling low lately. Wala na talaga.
Ganun pa din guys, oh.
Kahit just sinatang mo, kabisado kita. Yeah.
Masyado kayo natuwa sa after party.
Pero kalimutan mo na lahat.
Ang galing
Tumingin ka
natin.
sa aking mga mata. Ang kulay nakita mo, olive green. Pagkasama mo siya, yung gusto mo'y pagkarating sa akin medyo malambing. Pag sa akin medyo malandi, nawawala yung update. Na nadarama paggabi. Pag ang mga labi nagkatampian na di na makaalis sa pwesto at ang oras ay huminto. Talagang ko kasi hindi ulit sa mga panindig ko. Lakas ng topak, taas ng toma, baka sangkal mo sa likod. Dalawang bog sa panayang bukas sa isa't isa. Ang cute baby, di magiging sa'yo yung para sa street. Yeah, baby, umakiya po ka sa'kin para sa street. O pagkakadami, dapat ako sa'yong need. Kung merong kaliba dyan, ayos yan para tayong queen. At least di nagsisinungaling. Nung dumating ako, iba na hinahanap. Dati ay guwaping style mo, ay gusto na ng amat. Yeah. Let me dive into your ocean of emotions. Let me crawl into your senses slow. Give you truth in my devotion. Slow motion. Feel your body as I lay it down. Don't really mind if you're gonna take all my clothes. Last piece of my life was so you should know that I need you. So move your body close to mine. You've been talking to the last guy. He's been asking you one last time if you try to mend and fix your broken heart. Read back pages, say you torn apart. But only baby was destruction, desolation. He just believes in satisfaction. He cut your heart and left it open. Now you're mourning, and I don't want you as an option. Girl, no. Let me dive into your ocean of emotions. Let me crawl into your senses slow. Give you truth in my devotion. Slow motion. Feel your body as I lay it down. And I don't really mind if you're gonna take all my clothes off. To feel love. Last piece of my life, but you should know that I need you. So move your body close to mine. I was lying to myself lately, denying the truth of how you just made me feel. I'm in here sitting, drinking whiskey at the corner, waiting for you to come around and be my love. Give me warmth and I will let you ignite. We'll walk the streets on fire and fill it with light. No, I don't wanna be pretentious.
Guys, mag-live na ako guys. Ayun nga po. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry guys, marami tayong ginagawa. Pero asahan ninyo guys na tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating pag-sell ng slots. Kasi konti na lang kasi talaga eh. Diba? And thank you so much for all of our gifters din. Okay, thank you so much. Mag-live na ako guys.
Last piece of my life, but you should know that we know. So move your body close to
Bye guys. Love you so much. Love you so much.